Alrighty, so for today we're actually painting, we're getting the valances on the Integra. We got one right here, he just finished painting it off. So he's got that. We got the other one over here. That one we still need to let it finish dry. But this one's pretty much, it's been sitting for days now, so I just gotta hold it for him really quick. Oh shoot, hold on, give me 1 sec. So there we go. That one's on there. Oh, that was bad. We got it on there now, so let's see how that looks. Damn, that looks pretty clean. Damn, that shit looks clean. But there it is. Got that Valance on, that's what it's called. And he painted himself and it matches the same color, so. Yep, that looks clean. We just gotta get the other one on now, but we're gonna wait till that dries and then throw it on. So we're gonna put on the second one now. We just wanna go get some screws at Home Depot. We both just pulled up at Home Depot. Got the one right here, and then we're just gonna get this one on. So if you dry it up, we're gonna screw it on now and see how it looks. Here we go, we got the second one on. It's all on there, so we're just gonna drop it really quick, see how it looks, but it's the finished product right there. Damn, that looks clean. Damn, look at that wing. Hey. But yep, that's it for that one. So we got that on. We've been having those for what, like about a year now? And we just never got them on. Same thing with this test pipe. I don't know what it was. I guess we found it on OfferUp. It was like a test pipe and the valances. I forget what else it was, but it was all for 100 and we're like, fuck it, let's take it. So we got it, and then he just barely installed the test pipe like a couple weeks ago, or a month ago, or a couple months ago. The valances, we just got them on today, but he's been doing it all week. So we got that. Then we got my rear bumper, front bumper coming up, maybe the wheels, get them repainted. I'm not gonna tell you guys the color, but we got a color in mind, so I want to switch it up. I just got tired of the white. So we're gonna try something different, see what's up, but a lot of things coming out soon, so stay tuned.